Hello, I am Megha Sharma on behalf of Guru KPO welcomes you, and today I am going to deliver a lecture on differential equation. First I will start from the introduction. Definition of differential equation. Equation which contains the derivative of the dependent variable y with respect to independent variable x is known as a differential equation. For example, dy by dx is equal to square root of 1 minus x square is divided by the square root of 1 minus y square. Here in the example, y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. Next, for example, dy by dx plus xy is equal to cos x. Third, dy by dx plus 2y by dx plus y is equal to log x. Here the example 1, 2, 3 all are the example of differential equation. Now the next subtopic is kinds of differential equation. We have two kinds of differential equation. First is ordinary differential equation. Short form is ODE. Second is partial differential equation. The short form is PDE. Definition of ordinary differential equation. The ordinary differential equation which contains derivative with respect to one independent variables. For example, dy by dx plus xy is equal to tan x. Here the derivative is with respect to only variable x. Next, d2y dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus y is equal to x. In this example, y is derivative with respect to x. Here is no y, no z. Next, partial differential equation. Equation which contains more than one independent variables. Therefore, the derivative with respect to more than two independent variables. For example, x del z upon del x plus y del z upon del y is equal to nz. Here, the derivative with respect to x and y. Order of a differential equation. The order of a differential equation is defined by the maximum power of the highest order derivative is known as a order of a derivative. For example, d2y dx square plus 7 dy by dx plus ay equals to x. Here the maximum power of highest derivative is 2. Therefore, the given equation is the second order. For example, dy by dx plus xy is equal to e की power x. This equation is the order of first because the maximum power of derivative is 1. Therefore, this equation of order 1. Now, the degree of differential equation. For find out the degree of a differential equation, we will first make the equation free from radicals and fractions. For example, d2y dx square whole cube plus y dy by dx whole power 4 is equal to 7y. Here the highest power of derivative is 3. Therefore, the degree of differential equation is 3. Next example, d2y dx square minus square root of 1 plus dy by dx square is equal to 0. We will first make this equation free from radicals. Taking square of this equation, we can write 1 plus dy by dx का whole square. After rationalization, we can write this equation in this form. d2y dx square का whole square is equal to 1 plus dy by dx का whole square. Here the maximum power of derivative is 2. Therefore, the degree of this equation is 2. Homogeneous equation. Equation mtx plus ndy equals to 0 is said to be homogeneous equation if this can be expressed as dy by dx is equal to f1 xy is divided by f2 xy, where f1 and f2 are the homogeneous function of the same degree in x and y. For solving this type of equation, we will first substitute y is equal to vx. After differential, we can write dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now we substitute the value of dy by dx in equation first. We can write equation first now this form: x dy by dx plus v is equal to f1v is divided by f2v. Now we can write f2v dv is divided by f1v minus v f2v equals to dx upon x. Here we note that this equation we can solve by the method of separation of variable. Now we integrate this equation. Now again we substitute the value of v is equal to y by x. We obtain the required result of homogeneous equation. Thank you and thank you very much for